Blizzard of 2017. Joe Henshaw reporting live. It's a disaster. Cruising down Route 6 on a side-by-side. 35 miles an hour. Out of control, cold, windy. Pretty stupid to be doing this. We're on our way to rescue a state truck. Henshaw Trucking has a truck stuck. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Here you go. Lesson 32 of blizzards. Don't drive, you dumb idiot. You're screwed. All right. There's Sponia Farm. We're going by Sponia Farm. Coming down Route 6. This is a disaster. I'll give you the outside view. Don't put your head out there because you're screwed. Here we go. This is for Wade Henshaw. He's down at State College probably having a beer. Wade, we need your help. Mike doesn't know how to drive the trucks.